For years, integrated graphics were only good enough for basic tasks like web browsing, office work, and maybe a few lightweight games. If you wanted smooth gaming, buying a dedicated graphics card was almost mandatory. But in 2026, Intel may have changed that. Its latest Core Ultra Series 3 processors feature integrated graphics powerful enough to challenge entry-level GPUs. So, could your next laptop finally replace that budget graphics card? Let's find out. The biggest reason behind this shift is Intel's new Core Ultra Series 3, codenamed Panther Lake. Instead of treating integrated graphics as an afterthought, Intel has made them a major selling point. The flagship Intel Arc B390 iGPU is built on the latest Xe3 architecture and packs 50% more Xe cores than Intel's previous best integrated GPU. It also supports modern gaming technologies like DirectX 12 Ultimate, hardware ray tracing, XMX AI accelerators, and Intel's latest XeSS upscaling. Perhaps the most impressive feature is 4x multi-frame generation. Similar to NVIDIA's AI-powered frame generation, it uses AI to create additional frames, boosting performance in supported games. Currently, AMD doesn't offer an equivalent feature for its integrated graphics. This isn't just a faster iGPU, it's designed to deliver a much better gaming experience than integrated graphics traditionally could. Now comes the part many people overlook. Not every Core Ultra Series 3 processor includes the powerful Arc B390. Many lower-end Panther Lake chips simply come with Intel graphics, which is a much smaller integrated GPU. The difference is significant. The Arc B390 includes up to 12 Xe cores, while some Intel graphics versions have as few as 2 to 4 Xe cores. That translates into a massive performance gap. In 3D mark time SPI testing, Intel graphics scored around 3,000 points, while the Arc B390 reached over 6,200 points. So just seeing Core Ultra on the box doesn't guarantee excellent gaming performance. When shopping, always check whether the laptop specifically lists Intel Arc graphics, ideally the Arc B390 or B370, rather than simply Intel graphics. There's another detail that can affect performance. Even some previous Core Ultra processors included Intel Arc integrated graphics, but laptops with single-channel RAM often performed noticeably worse because integrated GPUs rely heavily on system memory bandwidth. With dual-channel memory, the Arc GPU can operate at its full potential. Single-channel configurations reduce bandwidth, lowering gaming performance, and, in some cases, even causing the graphics to appear simply as Intel graphics. So, if gaming matters to you, don't just check the processor model, also confirm that the laptop uses dual-channel RAM. For many users, the answer is yes. Reviewers are already comparing Intel's Arc B390 with dedicated entry-level GPU like the RTX 3050 and Radeon RX 6600 in laptop-class gaming. Ray tracing is particularly impressive because Intel includes dedicated RT hardware, allowing it to compete surprisingly well with NVIDIA's older RTX 3050. Intel's XeSS also plays a huge role. By rendering games at a lower internal resolution and reconstructing the image using AI, XeSS delivers much higher frame rates while maintaining excellent image quality. In many modern games, reviewers have found it produces cleaner results than AMD's FSR, especially in scenes with complex lighting. For For students, creators, and casual gamers who mainly play at 1080p, this level of performance could eliminate the need for buying a separate budget GPU. Despite the huge improvement, this is still integrated graphics. The GPU shares your system memory instead of having dedicated VRAM, which limits performance in demanding workloads. Unlike a desktop graphics card, it also can't be upgraded later. If your gaming needs grow, you'll need a new laptop, rather than simply installing a faster GPU. Cooling is another limitation. Reviews show the Arc B390 typically runs around 75 to 80 degrees Celsius under sustained gaming loads without significant throttling, but thin laptops still have less thermal headroom than systems with dedicated graphics. And remember, these results apply to Intel's latest mobile processors. This doesn't mean integrated graphics have replaced dedicated desktop GPUs. Intel has genuinely changed the conversation around integrated graphics. With the right Core Ultra laptop featuring Intel Arc B390 or B370, many users can now enjoy excellent 1080p gaming without paying extra for a dedicated budget GPU. Just remember to check for Intel Arc branding and dual-channel memory, because not every Core Ultra laptop delivers the same experience. If you enjoyed this breakdown, leave a like, subscribe for more tech content, and we'll see you in the next one.